Hello, I'm Stephanie. Welcome to A1 Essential Grammar. Lesson 1 is key verbs. In Lesson 1, you will focus on the verb to be, the verb to have, and the verb to do. 3 very important verbs. Let's start. The verb to be. I am. Together, I'm. You are. Together, you're. He is. He's. She is. She's. It is. It's. Plural. We are. We're. You are. You're. They are. They're. Very good. Practice. Complete the sentences with the correct form of the verb to be. Look at the picture. She, an artist. What's the verb form? She, an artist. She's an artist. She is, she's. Picture 2. They, firefighters. What do you think? They are their firefighters. They're firefighters. Good. Picture 3. He, a waiter. He is. He's a waiter. He's a waiter. Number 4. You, a student. You, a student. You are. You're a student. You're a student. And number 5. It's me. I, a teacher. I am. I'm a teacher. Very good. I'm a teacher. What about you? Okay. To be, negative. I am not. I'm not. You are not. You aren't. He is not. He isn't. She is not. She isn't. It is not. It isn't. Plural. We are not. We aren't. You are not. You aren't. Do the vacuuming. No, she doesn't. Well done. That's the end of A1 Essential Grammar Lesson 1. 3 very important verbs: to be, to have, and to do. See you in lesson number 2.